Hello everyone, Mike with Ambush here, and welcome back to another Feature Friday. Today we're standing inside a Venture wheelhouse, and we're going to be going over the Furrion AC unit that's inside this. Let's get into it. So we use a Furrion roof-mounted AC unit, and as you can see here, it's a really nice low-profile design. There's a lot of cool features inside the controls, which will show you. It's very simple to operate. And what you're seeing here is just, this is where your air comes out of and it's louvered. And then what you see here is just access to some of the wiring and the controls, which you can see is accessible. And as you can see, it's just a nice, sleek, low profile design. Let's come up here to the actual control. So this is the AC controller. This just already tells you what the temperature is inside here. And then you're just gonna press and hold the power button. And there it lights up and you'll hear it kick on. So now it's blowing cool. So this is the thermostat. That's actually reading the ambient temperature. You'll adjust up and down arrows depending on what temperature you want it inside the unit. And right now it's set on cool. So there's a couple different modes on here. When you're on cool, you can adjust the fan speed so you have low or high if you want to get it really ripping and cooling down faster. And then you have auto. So it'll probably kick on again here in just a minute because we have it set at 72 and it's only 86 degrees in here, but the other setting is low. And then the different modes on this, you have cool, which is obviously what it's doing now. It's cooling off the unit. If you press this mode button, that's going to switch it to heat. Now, obviously it's shut off because it's super hot, but this does have some heat strips that are built into it. So, you know, they don't do a whole lot. That's why we have other heating provisions because this unit is designed to be on the ice. And then also it's going to be blowing the fan, so it's going to be noisy. The Truma forced air heater or a direct vent heater is a much better option. It's a better heat and it's a lot quieter. That is available if you need it. If it's maybe like, I don't know, 40 degrees out and you just want to add a little bit of heat, you can certainly do that. Then you have the fan mode, which is just going to cycle the fan. And then you have dry mode. So dry mode, what that is going to do is that acts as a built-in dehumidifier. So it's just reducing the amount of moisture that's inside the vehicle, just making it feel more cool and dry without drastically decreasing the temperature like the cool mode is going to do. So this is only available on a low setting. As you can see, it won't let me switch the fan speed. So coming back to cool, and then you can just adjust your temperature, and that's it. We're gonna go ahead and press and hold this to shut it off. But one thing to note is you're definitely going to want to be connected to shore power or a generator to run this. You're not going to want to run this off of an inverter, off of battery power, or you're really going to suck down your battery life. So we have a 30 amp receptacle on the front V of this unit. You're going to want to plug in the shore power or a generator to run the AC unit. Well, this has been another Feature Friday touching base on the Furrion AC unit. If you have any other questions on it, be sure to give us a call. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.